Hey, happy July 07/05/2022. Coming back with you again with another video. Mailbox Benjamin. I got my kid in the mail today. On the 5th, on this day. I got my kit in the mail today, so I decided to make a video about what you get in your kit. Non-members, non-marketers. You're looking to supplement your income. Here's a simple program that you can supplement your income. You get that gold package, and you get all this in your package. My ID number is 131. I will implement the website after I'm done with this video. Mailbox Benjamin. This is what you get with your kit. This is what you get with your kit right here. Boom. Mailbox Benjamin. You get all that. You get leads. That's what it says there. 100 postcard and leads for $25. 300 postcard leads, $50. And you go from there. You get all this, your kit. Here's a lead behind that. I'm not going to show everybody's lead, but this is what you get. This is what you get right here. You get all this right here. Black and white. Green and white. Also. So go package from the owner itself. And you go from there. Yes. There's no reason to say you can't make no money. Mailbox Benjamin. Postcard business. Boom. There you go. Easy job. Supplement your income. New word of the day, new code word. Supplement your income. Supplement your income. Work from home. Postcard business. If I can pay $100, I don't have much money. Invest. Invest in a business. Invest in a business and support everybody that's looking to supplement their income. This is how we can help each other out. Gain access from revenue. Yes. Gain access from revenue. Supplement your income. No questions asked. Just do it. We've been paying our bills for the rest of our life. Monthly bills. You paying your light bill, your gas bill, your water bill, and you crying saying, I got to pay my water bill. You know you need that water to be paid, to be able to take a shower. You invest in your bills. Why not invest in postcard? Simple postcard, stamps, leads, and the product. Any type of postcard product, that's what you promoting. All those people don't know what his postcard is. This is the product right here. What I'm showing you right there. Any postcard business you want to join, you get that, and you put your leads back here and your stamp on the right left-hand corner. That's it. That's simple. Not marketers. We crying for paying our bills. You know you pay your phone bills, you pay your gas bill, you pay your light bill, you even buy food. You invest in food and your monthly bills. Why not supplement your income and start doing postcard business? This is no joke, y'all. Non-marketers looking, thinking everything's given to you. And ain't nothing free. You think somebody gonna help you? No, nothing ain't free. Nothing's not free at all. So I'm sorry, nobody can help you if you can't help yourself. That's why I'm making this video. You know I make videos, everybody, to show proof what I do, where I invest my money in. You know, nobody can help each other if you can't help yourself. Seriously. So, this is my video and my review about Mailbox Benjamin. Thank you. Come back with you again with another video.